Charging and stern lights. Removing my flag. Combination. It goes to the switch up above and goes through the switch and back to the battery where it charges from. So the switch operates both charging and also the tail light. This is also homemade golf club. I believe a Coleman light, fluorescent tube, protective cover. Amazon by flag by from Amazon. T-bolt and a fender washer welded onto a bolt. I have the rear rods held in with a flag clip, bungee cord, and a carabiner. Clips in, clips out. I don't have no other flotation on that rod. In the front, I have the ramrod holders. I like them. And it's connected to a pad-eye up in front for security. Lower base part is homemade. I'll go over that in detail later. Now for my live well. It's held in by pad eyes. Pad eye up in front, pad eye up in the back. I have the intake, goes through the pump, close the valve to initially start it with the fuel pump plunger. And then when it initiates the suction, you open up the valve, and then the water will start circulating. You regulate the flow from inside. You can't really see that, but the pump is all bought on Amazon. Waterproof switch, piece of crap battery. You can put it in, you can make a place for your boat to plug into. Never used it yet, but it works nice. And if you want to have fun, you can attach a little string with one of those little plastic fish that you get in the sporting stores. It looks really nice in there while it swims around. The simplest attachment that you could do the most with is the most valuable. In this case, all I have is a paracord stretching from the back to the front, and I have cables that I can zip tie in. That's one side, two sides, and it's out. Along with this, I have my anchor trolley with only one modification, one drilling and one cutting and a little plastic welding. But I put my zip ties on the side for safety. I like it. Works right-handed, left-handed. Got questions? Just ask. Time to remove the Simrad fish finder. It's an NSS7 EVO 3, the third generation. Removing the ram rod holder with the ram arm. Slides right off. And now for my Leatherman tool. Again, my nice molded tool holder. I love it. My fish plier tool holder, held in with the clip. This is weed trimming line. This is ground barrel crimped electrical department. Still got to find a place for this. Any ideas? Give me a hint. Removing a radio, another ram mount. I believe these are 1-inch balls. This was a 1-inch ball. The bottom part was round. In order to make this work, I used a ram mount ball, cut the sides off to approximately 1 inch, cleaned off the sides on the radio, and also the bottom of the ball, and epoxied them together. Taking that sail is relatively easy by disconnecting the front clips, removing the stress off the front, and sliding out the springs. Three more clips in the back. The center adjust for adjusting the angle of the sail. If you wanted to dig into the wind or anything like that. The screw from the yak tag, wing it, and out. And it's ready to go into its case.